If you collect vinyl records, you've probably seen this before. A record you love, but slightly warped. The stylus doesn't track quite right, the sound isn't what it should be, and it's just hard to ignore when you see it. Hello, my name is Eric Tian. I'm the co-founder of Whitebridge Technology. For over 20 years, we've been designing and manufacturing high-end products for the aerospace and medical industries in our own facility, maintaining full control from design through production. But beyond engineering, we're also music lovers and vinyl collectors. Over the years, we've tried the different ways to fit the world to records, but the options are surprisingly limited. Either risky DIYs or pricey, bulky machines designed decades ago. We believe there's gotta be a better way, so we engineer one. Introducing M2 Vinyl Flattener from Whitebridge Technology, designed from the ground up. The contact surface is made of microcrystalline glass, chosen for its natural flatness and extremely low thermal expansion. Underneath, there's a multi-layer aluminum structure weighing over 5 kilograms, designed to maintain stable and uniform pressure across the record. Keep your record safe while delivering consistent results. At the core of the machine is a smart temperature control system. Medical-grade sensors continuously monitor ambient conditions, enabling the M2 to dynamically regulate both temperature and cycle duration, maintaining precise control across the entire flattening process. A reinforced hinge system allows smooth, balanced opening at multiple angles. Despite the heavy top panel, the system is designed for safe, one-handed operation and reliable everyday use. All of this comes together in a compact, refined design built to sit quietly and elegantly in your listening space. The M2 is remarkably easy to use. It works with records of all sizes, from 7-inch singles to 12-inch LPs. Simply lift the top panel, place your record inside, close it, and use the touchscreen to select your setting. The entire cycle runs automatically, typically completing in less than 4 hours. For older records without a groove guard or more fragile pressings, we include protective pads for additional support. One unique feature of the M2 is its removable center spindle, allowing you to flatten sealed records, or even just the album cover itself. We also include protective pads for added support. When you're done, the M2 can be stored vertically, saving space while keeping it ready for your next record. The result is a record restored closer to its original flatness, but more importantly, it restores the listening experience. With M2, our goal is simple: to bring modern engineering and thoughtful design to a problem collectors have faced for decades. If this matters to you, we would love your support.